How to turn on or turn off picture gallery, show place names on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on the Gallery app or in the app screen, open up the Gallery app. Next we go back to the Gallery homepage here. Then we tap on the menu button at the bottom corner. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now in Gallery Settings, scroll down and then tap on Show Place Names. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here, tap on I agree to allow location data to be used for show place names. Then tap on OK. And that's it. That's how you can switch it on or turn it off. And if you turn it on, it will show the place names in your gallery views. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.